Onward and pondward!
Oh, sweet! Snails! Hey, little guys, how about a pick?
Wow, what a delicious pond you have here, my dear.
Come on!
Timber!
Oh, yeah, that's how we do it.
Tally-ho! That was a close one.
What a sweet day! So much fun!
Yes. Ponds are amazing.
And they are so pondy, too.
Well, gang, it looks like it's time to head home.
Bye, Pond. I'll miss you. See you soon. Keep in touch. Send me a postcard.
Yep, time to go. Bye, Pond. So long. Adios. What's up, Duck? Yeah, where are you going in such a hurry, little cutie? I'm leaving this pond for good.
Why on earth would you want to leave your beautiful home at the pond?
Home? This place? Oh, no, you are mistaken. This is not my home.
Hello, darling.
Hi, sis. Okay, it's my home. But I want to leave because this place is so... boring.
Timber!
Boring? Au contraire, little duckling. This place is filled with excitement.
Yeah, it's like a wonderful little neighborhood. Okay, so it's not so boring.
What is it, little duckling? Why do you want to leave?
Well, the truth is, I'm scared.
Scared? Scared of what?
Well, I'm scared of water. There! I said it! I'm scared of water! Scared! A duck who's scared of water? What? I know, right? So, I want to live somewhere else. Preferably way away from the pond. So I'm out of here. See ya! You guys, we gotta do something. Yeah, we can't let the little duckling run away.
The duckling can't leave her home.
No way!
Guys, she's leaving.
Yes. Time to stop that duckling. Tally-ho! Excuse me, little duck. Hey! You really should stay here with your family.
No, but you're a duck. Ducks live in ponds. Not this duck.
You know, little duck, speaking of water, 'tis true that I, Nature Cat, am scared of water too.
You are?
Yep, I know. Hard to believe. A fearless, brave adventurer such as myself being scared. But it's a cat thing. Maybe we could both overcome our fear of water together.
Oh, yeah, and we'll all help. Well, I would really miss my family and this pond. So what do you say, Duck? I say, okay, I'll stay.
Hooray!
Will you really help me?
But of course, onward and pondward.
Water. Why did it have to be water? Come on, guys, you can do this. A boat.
Yes. This will be a good first step to get us out into the water to do a little pond exploration.
The mouse is in. Oh, sweet boat.
Yippee!
Nature Cat, come on, it's a boat. Let's go.
Right, of course. Getting in the boat.
Yes, getting in the boat.
Here we go.
Yes, here we go.
You know, on second thought...
And away we go!
All right, see, this is fine. Watch the paddle, Hal.
Yeah, don't splash any water, sir. Wow, it's
Yes, it's not so bad, is it?
Hey, look! Snails! Gotta get a pic of these guys, too. And frogs. Man, they have a lot of food to choose from here.
Hey, look, a floating rock.
Hey, whoa, what you calling a floating rock?
Whoops, sorry, a floating talking rock.
Wow-wee! There's so many other animals that live out here on this pond.
Just like your family. Hello, Mother Duckling.
I guess this pond isn't as scary as I thought.
Are you ready to come swimming with us yet?
Yeah, come on. We're learning to dive under now. Under the water? Yikes! You gotta be crazy to do that!
Woohoo! Cannonball!
I'm wet! Which is, completely fine.
Whoa! Guys, you gotta see what's going on under here! It's pond-tastic! Wait, is that even a word?